normal fan, reverse fan. Take my UT12025 for example. The front side of the fan is the blade side, which is the air intake side. The back of the fan is the frame side, which is the air outlet side. Fan mounting screws for chassis installation. Remove the front panel of the chassis. Face the fan blade side toward the front of the case, so cool air draws in from the front. Point the blade side inward toward the inside of the case. The frame side faces the rear of the chassis. Face the blade side toward the inside of the case. Point the frame side toward the top of the chassis. These are the screws for securing the fan to the radiator. Let the blade side face upward toward the sky, frame side against the radiator. Plug it into the motherboard as size fan or cha fan header. Connect to motherboard 5伏 arc header. Locate the power connectors and 5伏3 pin arc connectors of each fan. Connect the male and female power connectors of the fans. Any extra male and female connectors can be left unconnected.